is Mandy Marroquin. I am a peer mentor for FSW, and I'm going to be going over the GPS Go Picture Scribe and MGP My Guided Pathways assignment. So on the modules area, you will see where we go over the GPS MGP. If you scroll down, you can see that there are 2 templates provided for both assignment. For me, I went with the GPS and made my own. There should be roughly 12 slides with the assignment. The 10 parts are visit with a professor or interview with a professional in your career field that you are thinking about going for. I was thinking about psychology, so I had a interview and visit with a psychology professor on campus. The next part are 2 workshops. I went to 2 workshops in person, and you can find workshops through student engagement on your fsw.edu. You can go to workshops there, and then they have online ones here, or you can go to your Bucks Corner on events, and you can find workshops this way by either searching, going to tags, or you can go through your categories there. Next, we have meet with your academic advisor. Now, meeting with your advisor, you're going to need to take a photo. Some advisors aren't fully comfortable with that, so be sure to ask beforehand. If they're not comfortable, take a photo of the name tag, or just simply go ahead and just take a photo of the schedule they have set for you for the next upcoming semesters. Then we have utilize a college resource, and you can use one of the academic support centers, peer tutoring, writing center, math center. They have them both for Zoom and in person. Then we have our OBOC. OBOC is a one book, one college. I would describe it as a campus-wide reading experience for like the whole FSW community each academic year. This year's OBOC is David and Goliath. You can find events for that also in your Bucks Corner. I believe the next one, 26th, so you'll find them right away. You can also find them through tags and categories as well. After that, you're going to have your 4 others. Others could be whether they be an extra workshop. The Canvas video that I posted is considered another workshop. It could be another event you went to. It could be whether you went to a sporting game. It could be whether you went to a guided study on Zoom with your events, whatever you prefer. Just showing that you're getting involved. And then your final slide, which will just be a little summary about your semester at FSW, how you felt about it, etc. Next, we have our My Guided Pathways. This is the other option. This is a really good option if you are not quite certain what you want to major in or what career you want to go for, because with My Guided Pathways, you're going to pick 2 pathways, and then you're going to pick academic. These are going to be 2 of the 10 pathways that they have. These are the academic programs. You can find them over here through your fsw.edu, or they have a direct link whenever you go to the GPS through here. Each of these slides on the My Guided Pathways assignment has a lot of hyperlinks, so it'll make it a lot easier finding where you need to go. During this assignment, you are going to need to do a thing called ACT, which is your Advising Career or Transfer event. Attend one of the select event types for the slide: transfer fair, career college fair, My Guided Pathways events, which you can find on Bucks Corner, or you could interview, shadow with a professor with a degree in your desired field, visit a university college you might transfer to, and so on and so forth. You will need to make a meeting with your advisor. It could be rather in person, call, Zoom, whichever. Be sure to take a picture or take a photo of the academic plan, whichever, just to show that you did do it. MLA is required for the works cited page on the MGP assignment. And then you will also need to do, similar to the GPS, where you need to utilize your resources a little bit just to show that you are getting involved. This one is rather simple. You could just visit with professor like before, financial aid, academic support center, food pantry, the gym. Pretty easy. If you are online and unable to do that, most of these resources are online. So if you go to the FSW EDU page, you will find most of the resources there. If you have any other questions, please be sure to reach out to me, another peer mentor, your professor, and let us know so we could better assist you with figuring out how to go through with the project. Each one of these templates go into further detail on exactly what they're looking for, so be sure to review those as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really hope that it helped you, and I hope you have a wonderful semester, and good luck on your assignment.